Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joe with the Menace SI Racing Project, back again with another video. Real quick video. Um, I just did the unboxing of my Skunk2 shift knob. It's a pretty good shift knob. It's installed. I drove it around the block a few times. It shifts really good. It shifts in really easier. I wasn't thinking I was gonna feel much of a difference with it on, but it's really heavy. It's a few pounds, and feels like a few pounds, and it just goes into gear so easy. It just without having to try, it goes right in. So it feels pretty good. It also looks pretty good as well. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. Here, let's take a look at that. Like the color, it matches the car really good. Looks really aggressive. Here's the difference with the stock and the Skunk2. Skunk2 is a little bit taller, I guess, and this is pretty light. This one feels really good. Yeah, so I recommend that one. I think you would like it a lot if you're looking for a shift knob. This one's really good, and it goes with the car as well. So it looks really nice, and it has the little emblem there, and here's what the top looks like. Yeah, so if you're looking for a shift knob, the Skunk2 one's really nice. Looks pretty good, and it matches the car. How I put it on, and so let me show you how I put it on. So if you look in here, see where the little red stitch is? If you pull it down a little, there's like a little tab inside there. You just stick a screwdriver, push on it, and then as you're pushing on it, pull this down kind of hard. You have to pull it pretty hard, and it comes off. And then of course there's the little 14 millimeter bolt in here that you would unscrew and then screw off the stock, and then do the opposite to get it back on. But I like this a lot. It shifts really nice. It just throws itself in. It's a pretty nice shift knob. Yeah, so if you're looking for one, it's a good one to get. I have time to do the review on the Ktuner, but I did install it. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. So I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of sunny out, but that's what the Ktuner looks like. That's the setting I put. I like the gauges, the way the gauges look. It matches my my cluster in here. I like that setting a lot. I think it matches the car. It looks really good. Yeah, but when I have time, I'll go ahead and do a video review on the Ktuner. Also, if you want to know how to use the mount that it comes with, or the bracket that it comes with, here's the mount that I used. I'll show you what it's called. It's called Archon, and it's for tablets, smartphones, and cameras. It works really well with the Ktuner. Here, let me show you what it looks like. And it fits that bracket really good. So if you're looking for these, you can find them. I got this one on eBay. I think you can buy them like at Target and Walmart and stuff. Some of them have it, some of them don't, but if anything, you could just go buy them online, especially at eBay. It only cost me, I think, about $6 or $7, and it holds on really well. I can't even take it off. Once I put it on the windshield, I can't take it back off. I'd have to really give some effort on trying to pull it off. But yeah, it holds the Ktuner really well. So if you're looking for something to hold your Ktuner, that works perfect. And if it's called the little T bracket, it fits that really well. So if you're looking for something to hold your Ktuner, you can always get one of those. If you have any questions, you can ask me as well. I always answer questions. So if you have any questions about any of these parts, just let me know, and then leave a comment, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I'll be coming back with some more videos as soon as I get the time, to start driving around and really, take a trip somewhere and do some pulls, or you know, or something like that. But I'll come up with some more videos soon. So subscribe, give me some likes, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.